This is just going to be the one.
Where's the parent? Where's the mom?
Where's the mom? Oh, you're there?
Her name is Anna.
So wait, before we open, are you expecting a boy or a girl? And anything!
It's a dog.
Good news, it's a lizard!
Wait. How many months are you pregnant? Huh? 4.5, and you're in mosh pit. Okay. Wow.
You're in mosh pit.
Okay.
Are you excited? Okay.
I mean, I know no matter what, she will love the kid.
Okay, everyone, let's count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before we open, pera! Oh, bayo! Pera, shame. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's open it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready na ba agad? Ano gusto mo pa ata eh?
Oh, another one.
Dito ba?
It's another one. Wait.
Another envelope. Okay.
Oh no, it's another envelope.
Okay. One more time. 3, 2, 1.
It's a girl!
What would you name
It's a
her?
girl. Congratulations.
What would you name her? Tayo na mag-isip ng pangalan niya.
Let's sign. Let's sign.
Wow. Congratulations, Anna.
Congratulations. It's a baby girl.
Are you guys excited?
This is just going to be the warm-up, so don't put yourselves too hard. Just enjoy. Vibe with us.
I'm sure you guys know this one.
Someone just asked me to do a gender reveal. I'm quite nervous because this is the first time we've been asked to do a gender reveal.
Salamat sa payment kayo.
This is from Anna.
Nalagyan sa akin.
I know no matter what happens, he or she. So excited. Josh, so. Wow. This is my second. Drum roll.